These two clowns are posing as the local police department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
Fortunately, the owner of this home is smart and checked his camera before opening the door.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please? This is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.